Hello guys, welcome back in another video. Today we're gonna talk about the rack plate for the Honda Transalp 600, 650, also the 700, which at the moment is still a prototype, for the Africa Twin from RD03 till RD07A, and also the Honda Dominator. So starting from the prototype, this one still a prototype, is for the Honda Transalp 700. So now we make this 60-degree hand mounting point for the straps, and also we made similar to this one for the soft bags. And the mounting point are slightly different because the mounting point compared to the Honda Transalp 600 are different. However, as you can see, this one has the 6 mounting point, so it fits on the models that I already told before: Transalp, Dominator, and Africa Twin. So what we are waiting, let's go to check on the bike how it fits, also the slim plate. So guys, as you can see from here we have already the slim plate, but compared to the original GOFFI mount or the Honda Transalp plate, is flat. So the case is in a lower position, and having a lower position, it gives you a better handling of the bike, especially when you are cornering. So the first thing that I have to do is remove the case. This is what you have. You have the 3 mounting point from GOFFI. This one you have to buy separately, and then you have the rack plate, which is very easy, make easy, because you just put the case and then you are ready to go. You push the button and then you release it. Very easy and very quick. Now I show you a close-up of the shape. So this is how it looks like without the case. So it's very nice also without the case compared to the plastic. This one is a 4mm aluminum. Put the case, you're ready to go, push the button and you release. Very easy. So guys, what do you think about these products? Let me know in the comment section, and see you on the next video. Ciao.